I'm with Paolo Pintor, who's the International Sales Manager of Screenline. I'd like to ask you, Paolo, the Screenline identity has changed, and there are some different things about the company. Would you give us a little bit of background for those who are unfamiliar about the way that Screenline operates?
That's right, thank you very much. In fact, this year, for the first year at ISE, we present some good new product, because the path of Screenline is to move from being a pure manufacturer to become more and more a solution provider, providing in this way solution for installators and for the AV industry, as well as for the home cinema and residential industry as well. And we have a couple of products here at the show which are testifying this new strategy, as we call New Deal for the Screenline.
And could you give us some more detail about these new products?
Right, sure. Those products have been developed by following installators' suggestions, advices, and we try to, let's say, let the job for these people become easily, in order to let them save money and time, of course. Some more details. The first is that the brand new professional motorized screen, which has a completely new design and some features, just as hidden brackets and a lighting system available as optional in the back of the screen itself. And the second product is supposed to be for installations in false ceiling, and is a sort of plug-and-play product, because it's composed by a box which can be installed before everything is finished off in the room, and then a standard electrical motorized screens goes in, so leaving also to the installator flexibility to choose in a second time what kind of screen exactly could install for the final project.
Give me some idea of the range of Screenline. There's the value market, and there's also the performance market. Where does Screenline operate in that spectrum?
Right. Basically, what Screenline manufactures is a complete range of motorized and permanent screens. Let's say from 2 meters or 100 inches diagonal up to 12 meters. And in terms of, let's say, markets where Screenline is present, wants to be present more and more in the future, of course, is the professional AV industry, above all for the large screen, large installations like in venues, arenas, and large boardroom. And to be more and more, let's say, in contact with the installator for the daily job, the daily work. So being in that kind of field, working together with the people who are at the end doing the job in the AV industry.
Have you noticed any trend in the adoption of motorized screens versus the fixed installation? Some vendors are reporting that that's the way the market's moving. Or?
Right. I can tell you this. As regards the permanent screens, the competition against the plasma or LCD display, above all for the small sizes, is becoming higher and higher daily, on a daily basis. As regards the motorized screen, rolling up and down screens, of course also manual, the point is that there is the low part of the market, which is a better fill against the Chinese product, against products coming from the Far East. And then there is a trend to move from the mass market, mass product, up to very, let's say, refined solution, bespoke and customized products. And that's it. Also the strategy Screenline wants to follow in the next years.
The show, I think, has been successful for everyone, but what in particular would indicate to you that it's been a success for Screenline when the show closes later today?
Absolutely, the show is amazing this year, and the most important feature I record from this is the number of new contact persons, new businessmen from the industry, and it's amazing because it never happened in my previous experiences here at ISE before. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. The economy is recovering a bit, and so we look forward to the future.
And is this demand coming from traditional markets for Screenline or from new and developing markets?
New developing markets. Most of the people, potential customer I met here, are from, let's say, installation industry. So they are system integrators, or they are from companies which operates in the installations field. So that's confirming the trend in the market.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Paolo.
Thank you very much to you. My pleasure.